This one has been on repeat in your requests, so today we're finally making that classic chicken topping seasoning you usually grab from the store, but in a homemade version that's fresher, easier, and just as flavorful. The full recipe is waiting for you in the description. Start off with 2 tablespoons of dried parsley to bring in that fresh, herby base. Then add 1 tablespoon of onion powder together with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder for that deep, savory flavor. Next, mix in 1 tablespoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper to build a mild warmth. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt along with 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for balance and aroma. Follow that with half a teaspoon of dried oregano and half a teaspoon of celery salt to round out the blend. And finally, finish with half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder for that signature savory kick. Now give everything a really good mix until all the ingredients are evenly blended and well combined. If this is your kind of kitchen shortcut, save this for later, give it a quick like, and share it with someone who loves easy flavor upgrades. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more recipes like this. And just like that, your chicken topping seasoning is ready. This makes about half a cup, perfect for multiple uses, but for the best flavor, let it rest for 12 to 24 hours so everything blends together beautifully. Store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and it'll stay fresh and flavorful for up to 6 months. Try this on your next batch of chicken and see how much it upgrades the flavor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon with another recipe you won't want to miss.